All right, guys, we are very excited to have you here with us today, and we're gonna ride regular skateboards today.
With a twist.
Oh, there's a lot of people in the comments saying, just ride regular skateboards. We've been doing it a lot more. I think you guys have been enjoying it. Thank you. So my very first video part, it's actually the first video on the Braille channel, period. It starts out with this quote that says,
"If there's nothing left to burn, you must set yourself on fire." Or something like that.
So we thought we'd just take it quite literally today and just set ourselves on fire, play a game of skate. What do you think?
No.
So we got this stuff, which is, the whole purpose of this is to make torch flames. And we got this stuff, which is camp fuel. Never, 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 ever try this at home. We are trained professionals in a trained environment, and we have fire safety professionals on the scene with fire extinguishers ready.
Wait, when did Nigel leave?
To
Dan,
put out.
would you like to go get those fire extinguishers? Or one of the Dans?
Wait, where did Nigel go?
He went home.
So we
I
are
thought he was
safe,
getting a burrito.
and we are gonna play a game of skate over fire on regular skateboards. I didn't lie.
Over fire.
Yeah, over fire. It's not a big deal.
Yeah.
And there's just be a gap, and then we'll just play. Hopefully this is enough to keep for the whole game.
Well, you know,
Realize Carlos is in this.
we're gonna fold it.
Fold
so
it?
I think having multiple layers will keep it doused a lot more than just one layer.
This guy, he's so smart. All right, let's do this, Braille Army. So I think we need like a heavy pair of trucks to hold down the flames.
What's going on here, Losita? Oh, those are the best.
Aaron Pyro here with your game of skate. Stupid skate. I wish we could play this in here.
I don't.
How's this spot right here? Do you think that's good?
I think it's alright.
Fantastic.
Where did you guys buy this stuff?
We need the torch! Joanne Fabric.
Joanne Fabric sells flammable materials. I guess it's his fabric store. Braille Picnic, coming soon. You want it just like that?
Yeah,
But we'll flip it over, huh?
Flip it over, yeah, make it look pretty.
I mean, I'm not a professional blanket.
But you are a professional
Blanketeer.
pyro.
That's true. So like this? Is that gonna hold it down?
I think once you soak it, it'll hold it down, right?
No. See, what I'm worried about is the wind picking up and it blowing into that field over there. Man, that would be bad. But these wheels are really good wheels. We don't want to ruin the wheels. Wait, let's Rochambeau. Who's playing? Uzi injured his toe. So I guess it's just us three? Yes! I'm gonna win. Yes.
First, second, third.
Oh look, it goes tall, medium, short, so it kind of worked out.
Don't put yourself down like that.
Oh, hey Aaron, I literally look up to you.
Like this?
That'll work. It won't be too hard to gap over, but the fire aspect makes up for it.
I mean, it's not like you really have the risk of falling into this, right?
But
that's kind of like what the point is, right?
Just dose it, dose the heck out of it.
Once you dose it, literally,
Douse it.
once you douse it.
Dose it? Douse it?
Fully soaked.
Once you douse it, you have to do 10 push-ups right when you set it on fire.
Okay, Carlos, go ahead.
Is it
Fully
doused
doused.
enough?
Get the trucks too. Get the trucks too.
No! This might be very anticlimactic. It's all over my hands, my pants, my elbows.
Hey look.
Carlos, you're torturing me. Go ahead, man. Full send. Oh, there we go.
It's hot! Really hot!
Ooh, that is hot. Woo! That's an S for Betty.
Oh, we're playing?
Yeah.
Oh, playing.
Oh my
Wow. That's a K. You didn't land it. Woo!
Whoa!
That's an A. Fetty is not friends with this fire, and I'm slowly losing the small amount of eyebrows I have. Wow. Yes. Count it. Oh, that's good. Wow. That's a T for Fetty. It's burning the ground, dude. What? Well, technically Fetty's out. Should we just play skateboard? Dude, there's a pile of melted wheel. That's insane. Whoa, 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 whoa.
No! No!
Uh-oh.
Dang it!
Look at the
Oh,
pile
my
of melted
perfect
wheels, dude.
Oh no, I love those wheels. I somehow lost all my speed. Oh, gotta go that way.
Bets on if someone calls the police or fire truck?
Oh no, no! How?
That's an S. Wow. Oh. Damage report. The wheel is fully melted. Oh.
Dang it.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Good. Oh. Oh yeah, boy. Yeah.
I think that's the only trick I can get him on. I think that's all I got.
My leg is definitely not strong enough for
That's
that
an
one.
S.
That's S.
Oh yeah.
Dang it, Carlos!
Good. At least now it's turned into a nice calm flame. Straight up, I think you've melted the asphalt. Look, it's caving in. That counts. Oh man. Aaron, are you at A?
What do I got, eh?
You're at A. Woo! That's T. Rebate. Aaron, your trick. Get this, Uzi, get this.
It's getting chunky.
Wow.
Oh!
Oh,
Let's this out.
that's a K. Oh, there it is.
Woo!
You got it, dude.
Got that.
What do you think, Carlos?
They look like Line X trucks now.
They kind of do, actually. You're right.
Or, well, what's the other one? Suspended.
Oh!
I'm not gonna lie, that game was pretty fire.
And look at that. Right now at the end of the game, it's just small enough so that it doesn't count as a fire anymore. Check out the wheels though. Look at the wheels. Puddles.
I know, those are my favorite wheels as well.
You guys have cracked the asphalt.
Yeah. Okay, let's look at this. I don't really want to touch anything. Let me just grab this truck. Yeah! Just kidding, I'm not that stupid. Well, my very favorite set of wheels that we've ever had, which are the mini wheels that are like wheels from the early 90s, gone. Completely incinerated. Yeah, the red one is still there, I guess. But look at the other one. It's just bearings. What do you give me to touch that truck?
Props?
A Band-Aid.
The bushings melted, the wheels melted, and the concrete. Yeah, look.
Oh, wow.
We need a good rain tonight, guys. Look, melted wheel. Ugh.
I thought that once concrete set, it didn't melt anymore.
I guess we stand corrected. How to melt concrete, the easiest way tutorial.
Campfire.
Because this is not concrete, it's asphalt, Gabe.
Oh.
Well, that was pretty fun anyways. Maybe.
Well, if we didn't get kicked out before, we're definitely kicked out now.
Yeah, just so you guys know, that video was a prank. There are still people that are commenting, how are you guys still in the Braille house? No, the video was a April Fool's joke. It was a joke, it's not real. We did not get kicked out of the warehouse. We love our landlord, it's all good. Let's do that hashtag notification squad. Leave your best trick in the comments below, along with what video you would like to see us do next, which includes fire. Fire rail, fire ramp, fire manual pad, just let us know. Fire shoes, that's a good one. Fire rail would be good, yeah.
Socks over your shoes, game of skate.
No.
Or those like workout bands that wrapped on your ankles.
No.
Let's go get some water.
Okay, let's get some water. Put this out for real. I'm just sort of glad that Carlos didn't completely skunk me.
You'll never amount to anything.
Wow, look at the water's like beating.
Oh, that's hot still. Oh.
You're no good, camera.
See how it's beating?
Don't give me that look.
Why is that?
Oh, it must be from the camp fuel. Who put a packet of soy sauce in there? Check out all the other videos right there. You guys go to brailleskateboarding.com and get your rank in the Braille Army and put yourself on the map of skateboarding. I will see you in the next video. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below.